Hello guys, today we are looking the new extremely cool video. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. So let's go. Car phone holder, automatic opening and clamping design which can be operated with one hand and make everything easier and safer. Just place your phone inside the holder, the clamps will close and provide a strong stable hold. Car rear view mirror. The body is small and exquisite, easy to install, and does not block the line of sight, just like being integrated with the car. Ultra clear picture, whether it is day or night, you can shoot clear videos. Car blind spot mirror. Blind spots while going in reverse. Find out what is happening at the back instantly. Blind spots while making a lane change. Detect the road conditions as you change a lane. Blind spots while starting your car. Car Tyre Air Pump. Powerful air power braking the inflatable perception. High-performance inline mechanical and equipped with a high-power motor. Compact size. One-handed operation. Flexible storage does not take up space. Car Air Humidifier. Car Aromatherapy Humidifier. All-round improvement air in the car, eliminates odors in the car and creates a romantic and comfortable atmosphere. Humidifies the air at the same time, refusing to dry out. Car stereo. Multi-theme operation interface, rich design, multi-function display page. Bid farewell to old-fashioned button operation, new full-function touchscreen. Create an intelligent and personalized driving experience, and make driving fun. Car vacuum cleaner. Large suction straight line air rail dust. Debris easily sucked clean. The motor, dust cup and cyclone are located in a straight line, so that the airflow efficiency and suction are effectively improved. FM transmitter for car. You will enjoy powerful deep bass and immersive stereo sound. The high-fidelity hi-fi sound quality will also make the music more dynamic and pleasing to the ear, taking your passion for music to a new level. Car steering wheel cover. Inner double sewing. High quality microfiber. Double sewn and lined material. Continuous failure soft. The steering wheel has a better protection. Head-up display. Auto projector head-up display. You can view navigation and information at eye level instead of looking down repeatedly to ensure safer driving. T will automatically alarm if overspeed, so it can save you from looking down.